Thanks for watching. We're going to show you some of the pieces here at Mumford Restoration that we've restored. This is a really cool piece of furniture, also European. Has a full face carving in the top and quite a pointed fleur-de-lis at the top with some interesting detail. This craftsman was really spending time to try to build this into a very unique pattern. Has some semicircles here, arched tops, and then beautiful crystal leaded glass. And so what's so cool is that when you open this door, it opens with the whole pillar on the door, which is an unusual way for them to have mounted that. So you see it's also a piano hinge. But it had some rustic shelves in it, and one of our team members, our woodworker, built all new shelves for inside and drawers so that she can use it now as a bar cabinet. So she'll be putting her glasses here, and then you see that this is tall enough to put all of the bottles in, and then she can store all the napkins and everything. So this is a total rebuild of the inside of this piece, and then of course we restored the whole piece. So quite an interesting, and you see how that whole pillar turns and these doors open, and then this is the lighter finish on the inside to match that back panel. So we kept it lighter on the inside. Quite a beautiful piece of furniture. And again, pretty large. I mean, we're dealing with European stuff here, and often we get the huge wall you need, and it's sitting on a cart, so it makes it a little taller than it is normally. So thanks for watching.